What up, you guys? Gonna do another unboxing and review from a recent purchase on Amazon, and it's for Kenneth Cole. This is a 3-pack face mask. It's the camo version. They have a whole bunch of them on there, different designs and everything. They're $17.99. It's a 3-pack, so about $6 a pop. We're in this together. Nice packaging. Anti-dust, anti-pollution, anti-smoke. Okay. Multi-layered filtration system for additional protection. Yeah, they come with filters, which is nice. Technical specs: splash resistance, reusable, super breathable. Have some wash care tips at the bottom. Right here they have special features and benefits. Accommodates all facial movements. Designed for wider coverage and maximum protection. Nice. Flat fold, designed for easy storage. Flexible and adjustable for secure fit and minimal eyewear fogging. That's really nice for anybody that wears glasses. Soft, ultra lightweight fabric for comfortable, easy breathing. Super soft interior fabric. Reusable and washable up to 30 times. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, nice packaging. It is resealable. I cut the top. Open this up. And they are individually wrapped, which is nice. Has some extra filters, 3 extra filters, 3 different designs, camo versions. Looks like they have a little card in here, Kenneth Cole, New York. These are wearing times, all right. Thank you for purchasing a mask to protect yourself and others and for helping to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Kenneth Cole, nice little thank you note. Cool. Have 3 different designs, 3 different colors of camo. Let's check them out. Individually wrapped, which is nice. Inside you have an extra filter. And here's the mask itself. Inside lining, you can see it has a little pocket for the filter, which is really cool. Pretty nice. They all have a little logo on them. Wear in this together. Kenneth Cole right there. And it does have the metal nose piece in there, so it's adjustable. And the straps are adjustable. These move right here, so they can move up and down for whatever length you like. Let's take a look. Pretty nice. Has a ninja design. It's like the light green version, and it's pretty big too. It covers up my my beard, which is really nice. So full coverage. Let's take a look at the next one. This one's a little more tan. See the first version, light green, and then this is a little more tan. Pretty cool. And then we got a third version. Probably the darker green, yep. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, this is real cool. I like them. All right, there it is, the 3-pack Kenneth Cole. Oh, the camo version. You have the light camo, you have the tan, and then the darker green. These are really nice. $17.99 on Amazon. Kenneth Cole camo 3-pack. I like them. If you like what you see, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks, you guys. Take care.